Hi, my name is Vinny from Division 7 Motorsports, and in this video today I'm going to be showing you the final steps of getting this 1970 first gen LT1 engine ready for startup. Guys, stay tuned, don't miss this video. It's going to be a good one today. Keep in mind there was only 1,200 of these cars made, so there's not a lot of outside internet sources to learn about this car. Alrighty gearheads, the first thing we're going to do today is reinstall our radiator back in our engine bay. We had a little issue removing the radiator from the car. We actually pulled out one of the support brackets with it. It looked like the bracket was rusted and it just unwelded from the tack weld. So off camera I went ahead and fabricated a little bracket here. I actually ended up using some of the old bracket for this piece. So the first thing we're going to do is drill some holes in the frame and fasten this down so that we can put our new refurbished radiator back inside the car. Alright, I'm just going to line up this bracket with its old mounting position, and I'm going to mark the holes. Alright, let's get the pop rivet. I think we're in good shape. Alrighty, now that I have my offset holes drilled, now it's time to put in the bracket. Woo! Alrighty, now comes the fun part, hiding everything. Alright, our radiator support bracket is fastened here on the frame, and it looks pretty darn straight to me, and I hid my little rivets. Alrighty guys, now that our passenger side support bracket is fastened down to the chassis, now it's time to put in the radiator. Alright guys, now that we have our radiator and fan shroud in, now it's time to wake up this 20-year-old engine. Well, this is nearly it, guys. I'm putting the last bit of stuff back on the car, like this clear Gano filter, just to make sure I catch the rest of that gunk that may be in the engine. But this is about it, guys. All we got to do is put fuel lines on the car, and we're ready to fire it up. Alrighty, gearheads, that's going to be the end of today's video. Thank you for staying along. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Next week, stay tuned. That's when we're firing up this baby, so don't miss it, guys. We're ready to hear this thing roar. We're ready to hear this thing scream, so don't miss that video, guys.